Dear children, how are you? Welcome to Children's City. Stories, poems, and much more. Yay! We have a story for you. Its title is My Fragrance. Pink Rose was sad today. Its face was looking like it is not feeling good. White Rose near it asked, Hey friend, why are you looking upset? No, nothing. Pink Rose replied in low voice. No, there is something wrong, White Rose said. Sunflower, Morning Glory, Jasmine, and other colored roses all noticed the conversation of both flowers, and they also involved in the matter. They all were planted in a beautiful garden, and actually they together made the garden beautiful. Pink Rose told them, I am losing my fragrance. I don't look fresh all time. I do not look like as I was before. Flowers reacted one by one. Oh, but how did you know that? We don't think so. You are as you were before. Why are you thinking this? Oh, please, do not try to say anything against. I know what I'm saying, said the pink rose. Okay, then think about what we can do for you, said the white rose. Yes, we want to help you as we all are friends and neighbors, said the morning glory. They all started thinking. Got an idea, said the red rose loudly. What? All moved towards it. We all can give some of our fragrances to the pink rose. I hope it will work. Yes, great. They all gave some of their fragrances to the pink rose, and now it was smelling very beautiful, more fragrant. They all were happy. They all looked fresh. And by sharing their fragrance, they didn't lose it, but the fragrance became more. Dear children, did you like this story? Click on like and share the video. Thank you. Watch, learn, enjoy.